the breath and breathe. The bigger than these people are insane. Go decipher as you will. I never said the words you cried the call. I don't feel like judging, but it's like I've blocked the sun. Like you knew me all along, like you knew me all along. Searching for a reason not to hold it up to you, up to you. Had no chance at all.
Vivid Live in Sydney, the vibe is amazing. It's such a sense of community. You've got the lights, you've got the music, the ideas, and everyone is out and about. The goal of the Sydney Opera House is to provide barrier-free access so that the space, the building, and the experiences that we offer are accessible to everybody. Some of the examples of the accessibility program during Vivid at the Sydney Opera House include Gig Buddies.
Gig Buddies is a befriending program where the Gig Buddies team will pair people, one person with a learning disability with a volunteer, to go out to events together.
Yeah, it's like having a friend to go out with. So Honey and I both like really similar things, which I think is a really good thing that Gig Buddies do. They match you up with someone who has the same interests as you.
Yeah, I like seeing like big bands. One thing that's great about Gig Buddies, you see each other like once a week.
The Opera House team offered some discounted tickets to the Vivid Festival.
I mean, it's great coming to the Opera House. It's really nice during Vivid because everything's a bit more special, everything's really lit up.
I like the Opera House. It's a fantastic icon.
I like the fact that perhaps some of the things that Honey and I do together are things that Honey wouldn't get access to if we weren't doing them together.
It gives me confidence. That's helpful as well.
It's good for people in isolation who really want to go out and stuff and can't. So Gig Buddies is there to help them go out. More people should get involved in the community because they'll be a happier person and they won't be as depressed and as lonely. And it's a good thing.
Did you get any photos? No. Oh, okay, because I was going to send them a tweet or something. So we've got Gig Buddies who are passionate about an array of things, NRL to cricket to live music to bushwalking, record collecting, even watching cranes and constructions. So when we receive an application, it's our job then to find a volunteer who matches that interest.
When I was 16, I had a brain infection and my short-term memory's been affected since then. I used to be a really sociable person, so it's just sort of been able to pick up from where I used to be, and it's just fun having someone to go out with also.
There have been a couple of times where Lyndall has said that I don't go out unless I'm going out with you. And I'm like, well, that's terrible. I go out all the time. I feel grateful that I have the opportunity to give her the opportunity to go out and have fun.